Are you tired of guessing your next business move? Let's take the guesswork out of the equation with data-driven decisions. Imagine making decisions backed by real-time data, not just gut feelings. Data-driven services can streamline operations, reduce errors, and maximize your ROI. Think of it as having a crystal ball for your business. With tools like Power BI and Tableau, you get clear insights into performance metrics and market trends. Predictive analytics and AI, they forecast future demands, helping you stay ahead of the curve. And personalized customer insights, they transform your engagement strategy, boosting satisfaction and loyalty. But wait, there's more. Data security services ensure your sensitive information stays protected, building trust with your customers. From healthcare to retail to finance, data-driven services are revolutionizing industries. So assess your needs, choose the right tools, and train your team. The future of your business lies in your data. Ready to transform your business? Start today by exploring data-driven services and make data your competitive edge.